Ever wondered how AI could help doctors make better diagnoses? Or why some medical models get the right answer, but for the wrong reasons? Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking approach called Med-PRM, a system that's rewriting the rules of medical AI by checking its work, step by step. Let's start with a problem. Large language models can answer medical questions, but they often guess their way to an answer. Imagine a doctor skipping critical steps in a diagnosis, like ignoring a patient's key symptoms or misreading test results. That's what happens when AI models don't verify their reasoning. Current systems struggle to spot these errors, which is a big deal in medicine, where even small mistakes can have serious consequences. Enter Med-PRM. This isn't just another AI tool, it's a reasoning coach. Think of it as a medical expert who reviews every step of a model's thought process, like a doctor double-checking their notes. Here's how it works. When the model tries to solve a medical problem, Med-PRM retrieves the latest clinical guidelines, research papers, and medical evidence. Then it compares each reasoning step against this trusted knowledge. For instance, if the model suggests a rare disease, Med-PRM checks if the symptoms align with established diagnostic criteria. If it skips a crucial test, the system flags it. This step-by-step verification ensures the AI isn't just lucky, it's logically sound. And the results? Med-PRM is a game changer. It improves existing models by up to 13.5%, a huge leap in medical AI. Even more impressively, it achieves 80% accuracy on complex diagnostic tasks using models that are 10x smaller than state-of-the-art systems. That means hospitals could use this tech without needing massive computing power. What sets Med-PRM apart? It's not just about accuracy, it's about transparency. By integrating real medical knowledge into every step, it reduces hallucinations, when AI makes up facts and ensures decisions are evidence-based. Plus, it's plug-and-play. You can add it to other AI systems like a smart assistant, boosting their performance without overhauling the whole setup. So why does this matter? Medical AI isn't just about speed, it's about trust. Med-PRM shows that with the right tools, we can build systems that think like experts, learn from real-world evidence, and help doctors deliver safer, more accurate care. The next time you hear about AI in healthcare, remember, it's not just about answers. It's about how those answers are reached. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see how Med-PRM stacks up against other AI tools, hit subscribe for more deep dives into the future of medical AI. But here's the real kicker. Med-PRM isn't just a standalone tool. It's part of a broader revolution in AI reasoning. Take Med-PRM, a model that smashed expert-level medical tests by leveraging chain-of-thought, COTI, prompting, essentially giving AI a roadmap to solve problems step by step. This approach mimics how a doctor would break down a case, gather symptoms, consider possibilities, and decide on a treatment. To make this work, researchers combine Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG, where AI fact-checks itself using the latest studies, with agentic systems, multiple AI agents collaborating like a medical team. It's like having a team of specialists working together to solve a puzzle. At the heart of this is process reward modeling, PRM, a technique where AI learns to justify each step of its reasoning. Imagine a student solving a math problem. If they make a mistake in step 2, the whole answer falls apart. PRM works the same way, rewarding correct logic at every stage. Med-PRM takes this further by using AI itself to evaluate reasoning, creating a feedback loop that sharpens accuracy. To test these ideas, researchers used real-world medical datasets like Med-QA from U.S. medical licensing exams, Med-MCQA, thousands of Indian entrance exams, MMLU, a global benchmark testing anatomy to genetics, and DDX+, a massive dataset of synthetic patient cases. Even Agent Clinic, a tool simulating AI doctors interacting with patients, helped push these models to their limits. But how did they measure success? The team didn't just look at correct answers. They evaluated how the AI arrived at them. For example, in a test case, if an AI skipped a critical step in diagnosing a rare condition, it failed, even if the final answer was right. It's like grading a student not just on the final exam, but on their entire thought process. The results? Models like Med-PRM outperformed others in tasks like differential diagnosis and medical Q&A. One version achieved 73% accuracy on a tough benchmark, while even top models like Llama3.1 and UltraMedical lagged behind. And here's the kicker. Training all this on smaller, more efficient models means hospitals can deploy cutting-edge AI without expensive hardware. This isn't just about smarter algorithms, it's about redefining what AI can do in healthcare. By prioritizing logic, transparency, and real-world evidence, systems like Med-PRM are paving the way for a future where AI doesn't just answer questions, but understands them. Stay curious, and we'll see you next time.